So it's the first video in the workshop. I've got 4 stools to do. I think they was in water damaged, but they're looking in pretty bad condition. Just gonna go over a couple of the stools so you can see the damage. Obviously nothing spectacular today, but hopefully we'll see some decent antiques in a full restoration and you'll enjoy the video. So you can see the extent of the damage. It's just age, well used, probably stepping up stools for most things, but they're in for an insurance claim, so I think that's the main damage. So I'll show you a little video of these from start to finish. So I hope you enjoy. Right, so I'm going to wash it down to start off with. I'm not going to really tell you what I'm using for now, but you'll see the difference by the end of the video. I'll make it short and sweet because this is a long boring process. Always go with the grain, so with the grain meaning up and down, because if you scratch it across it's hard to get out. It's the main thing you need to know about working with wood. Always stick with the grain. You'll hear that a lot and you'll find out why later on in the videos. I want to bring the new age of French polishing and restoration to the viewers, because I know a lot of people like to watch the restoration shops. So I'm quite young and quite good. You'll see my work more each time I watch videos. Still learning how to do these videos and talking to nobody but a camera. It's a bit strange. There's other restorers in the workshop, but for now this is like one of the first videos, the very start of something very new to me and them. They don't know about it yet, that's why I'm staying around here for now. Well, right, so enough of the rubbing the legs down, takes ages. This is a coffee table that Jamie's doing. Jamie's been training for a while now. So this has been in a flood. Obviously it's aged, so it's got all of its what's it called, oxidisation. The oxygen just makes the shine go. It's not been cleaned properly, not been polished in a while by the looks of it. That's full of silt and dirt from bottom of a river because it flooded straight through the house. So you can't really make much. You can make out the picture, should I say. But Jamie's going to clean that up and it's going to look pretty cool by the end of the day. Just deciding what to clean it with to get it out of all the grooves. So we'll get back to it when it's halfway through and then one at the end. Right, again we're here. So I've cleaned them two, seeing it'll look a lot better. I think I've cleaned that one, but I'm going to go over it again. See, my hands are filthy. So there's this one to do. I'm going to get a video of me doing this one. It'll look totally different when I'm done. You'll be impressed. So you can see what I've done. Always rubbing involved. Lots of rubbing. If you want to know what I'm using, it's a solvent. That's why I got a glove on. Don't want to damage my skin. This one's not going to turn out as nice as the others, but the looks of them now, they look a lot cleaner. Yeah. And that's just after washing them down. So just think what they're going to be like when they're stained. Right, let's go see what Jamie's done on this coffee table. Right, look at that now. Yeah, it's looking good. The polish is building up on this stand. But look at that now. It's got a bit of a shine to it. Are you going to do any more, Jamie?
Yeah.
Just a bit more, yeah. Look at that now, though. Right, so I'm getting used to this recording stuff. Basically, I did a recording, spoke about stuff, and it didn't even record the full video. So you've got a little video of whatever beforehand, but now staying them, you don't get to see that again because it's been done. I'll polish them up and then that's the end. Right, so it's time to polish them. So let's try and get in the video. Very sticky. The idea is to show you how to do stuff good, but not show you enough. So know exactly how to do it. Isn't it? Yeah, that one. Right, so the main damage I couldn't really get out, so I've had to sand back the legs. Maybe you can see a bit on this one. Maybe not. But you can see a bit of the watermark there. It's got to come out, so this is the worst one. I'm going to have a rest. It's looking pretty fresh now, isn't it? Yeah, still a bit damaged, but we'll get back. Right, so here we have it. They're all polished up and ready. They look totally different from when they first came to me. I'll get the video up on the bench so you can see the legs. So this is my first video doing some restoration. Not the best and entertaining pieces, but you can see the difference. There they are, they're up on the bench, all nice and clean. I said I'd get a close up on the wood. As you can't make it brand new looking because they are damaged, and some people have known to get memories from some of the dents on the seats, because it could be from a granddad or grandma, you know, party. I remember one woman telling me her granddad used to dance on an old table, so she pointed out the dents on the top, saying the reminder of the New Year's parties that they had when she was a little girl. Her granddad used to dance on the table, bring some good memories back, so there you have it. Nicely done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's see what Jamie's done. He's taking pictures of his now and it's looking amazing. You finished there, Jamie?
Yeah.
Right, let's have a look. Right. So there's the coffee table. Nicely polished up. So there we have it, you know, it looks totally different from before. Let's have a look at the picture. It's a bit upside down. I won't touch it just because it's just been done. So there we go. I hope you enjoy. More videos to come. Smash the thumbs up and subscribe.